the 144,000. Archangels incarnated and their mission in the third dimension. Spirituality often leads us to explore fascinating concepts, one of them being the 144,000. This group, consisting of 72,000 women and 72,000 men, is described as beings with archangelic fractals already incarnated in the third dimension. Not only do they form part of this special collective, but they are also twin flames with a special mission among them. During the past 2023, with the arrival of solar flashes, it is expected that a new program designed for solar christic humans will be implemented. This program is crucial for the anchoring and functioning of new humanity on Earth. This process requires two fundamental events: anchoring to Mother Earth and to heaven. The latter is achieved through a new grid woven with sacred geometry, adapted to integrate the solar christic program. Those born in the third dimension will need to adjust to this new software. In contrast, children born in the fifth dimension, like a 7-year-old infant in our example, do not need to recalibrate anything. The 144,000, who were born without errors in their DNA and with 13 active strands, 12 plus 1, with the 13th being the christic in helical form, will be the first to perform this anchoring. They will form the anchor of the new solar or christic electromagnetic grid. This group symbolizes the union of the divine masculine and the divine feminine. Through the solar flashes, they will anchor this software in the christic grid and download it to the core of the Earth, thus creating a single frequency. Subsequently, in a domino effect, those beings who are calibrating towards 5D, including the starseeds, will do so individually. Archangel Zaphiel points out that the anchoring of the starseeds must be carried out in the place chosen to be born. The 144,000, who were archangels that chose to incarnate for this crucial mission, have the divine task of bringing heaven to earth. Their purpose is to stabilize Gaia's vibratory system and achieve a unified frequency based on the christic energy of unconditional love. They are also known as the 144,000 sealed because they carry such a coding that ensures their infallibility, similar to how Jesus has 49 strands in his DNA. Many of them have not yet activated the memory of being one of the 144,000 as a measure to avoid ego confusions. This will be activated at the right time. For some, the veil fell in the year 2012. However, it is important to understand that their coming is not to be instructive teachers, but to connect the dodecahedral network. This system will integrate into the DNA of those humans who wish and can unify with the monad. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.